Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into something super essential in the world of databases and programming, SQL. Whether you are just starting with tech or looking to sharpen your skills, this video will help you understand what SQL is, how it works, and why it's such an important tool in data management. So let's get started. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's a programming language designed for managing and interacting with databases. Significance of SQL. First, data management. SQL allows users to easily interact with data in database, making it possible to store, retrieve, update, and delete data in an organized manner. Without SQL, data would be hard to access, manage, and manipulate. Data security. SQL provides robust security features to control access to sensitive data through user permissions and roles. Founder of SQL. SQL was developed by Donald D. Chamberlain and Raymond F. Boyce in the early 1970s at IBM. They were working on a project called SystemR, which was an experimental relational database system. The language was initially called SQL, that is Structured English Query Language, but it was and later shortened to SQL due to trademark issues. Applications of SQL. Data retrieval. SQL allows users to query databases and retrieve specific data, making it easy to extract meaningful insights and analyze large volumes of information. Data manipulation. SQL is used for inserting, updating, deleting, and modifying data. It provides flexibility for businesses and developers to efficiently manage their data. Data integrity and security. SQL helps enforce data integrity through constraint, ensuring that the data entered is accurate and consistent. It also provides security features to restrict access to sensitive data. So that's a quick overview of what SQL is and why it's such a crucial tool in the world of databases. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.